Hi everyone, welcome to Artistic Destination. In last video, I told that I'm going to give you guys a surprise, and that surprise is I'm going to teach you guys how to make lanterns for Diwali. And for making lantern, we need few things. Those are printed sheets, Fevicol, scissors, some feathers, which I'll be teaching you guys how to make it from feather, and one balloon and some tissue papers. So let's get started. First, I'll teach you guys how to make feathers. For this, we'll need some strips. Okay, so I have cutted out the strips from this printed sheets. I've taken size of 1 inch and then folded the strips into half in this way, and let's cut this half. Now we need to fold this half strip into an other half in vertical position. In this way. Now from the side from which it is folded, the side from which we can open this side, from this side we'll cut it into the shape of a leaf, so it resembles that we are making feathers. Same will do from the other side. Now the 50% work of making a feather is done. Now just to give an effect of proper feather, we'll do the trimming thing. And for trimming, we need to catch our scissors in this position. It is almost like 70 degrees, and we'll go off trimming. We have to continue the same process till the last. Make sure you're cutting the strips more than half so that this thing comes out well and actually looks like a feather. We'll stop here at most at the tip. Now we'll open it. See, the feather is ready. Now we'll make the base of the lantern. For this we'll need a balloon and some tissue papers. Now this tissue paper is big in size, so we'll cut this tissue paper into 4 pieces. So we have cut this tissue paper into 4 pieces in this way. Now the balloon is dried up properly, so we will just put a small cut at the top of it. the balloon gets bursted inside the It is another shape. One by one we'll start applying the feathers are in same level bottom. Take a half feather like in this way. Now the lamp is ready. Now we need to just put our bulb in it. For that we'll prick a hole over here, right at the top of it, with the help of scissors. You can see we have created a nice hole where we can insert our bulb. And our lantern is ready. So I just hope that you guys try this on and let me know in the comment section below whether you have tried it or not and what difficulties you are facing. I'm sure I'll reply you back. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Yeah, and let me know what you guys want me to make in the next video. Till that, keep smiling, make smiling. Bye.